Japan is a fascinating country known for its technology, culture, and discipline. Today, we're going to explore 3 amazing facts about this incredible nation. You're going to be amazed. Don't miss the 3rd fact. Fact 1. Students clean their own classrooms. Did you know that in Japanese schools there are no janitors? Students clean their own classrooms every day. This is not just about cleaning. It teaches important life lessons and cultural values. Responsibility. Students learn that taking care of their own environment is their responsibility. This helps them become more responsible people. Respect. Cleaning with their own hands helps them understand the effort it takes to keep things neat. They learn to respect school property and use it carefully. Teamwork. Cleaning is done together, which builds cooperation and teamwork. Discipline. Daily cleaning teaches discipline, patience, and the value of hard work. Culture. There is a concept called O-soji in Japan, which means cleanliness is also about respect, awareness, and responsibility to the community. Cost saving. Schools don't need to hire extra staff. The saved money can be used to improve education. So cleaning classrooms in Japan is not just about being tidy. It helps build character, responsibility, and social values. Fact 2. Japan is also famous for its trains. They are some of the most punctual trains in the world. On average, they are late by only 36 seconds, less than 1 minute. In many countries, trains can be hours late. But in Japan, even a delay of a few minutes is taken very seriously. Advanced technology. The Shinkansen, or bullet trains, are designed with extreme precision. Every movement is carefully controlled and monitored. Strict discipline. Train drivers and staff are highly trained. They follow the timetable exactly, respecting every second. Perfect planning. Schedules are made down to the exact second, which is why trains almost always arrive and leave on time. If a train is a few minutes late, passengers receive a delay certificate. They can show it at school or work as proof. Being on time in Japan is more than transport. It reflects their culture. Respecting time shows responsibility and discipline. Japanese trains teach us that respecting time can make a nation more efficient and successful. Fact 3. Japan experiences nearly 1,500 earthquakes every year. That's almost 4 earthquakes every day. This happens because Japan is located on the Pacific Ring of Fire, a very active area. Most earthquakes are small, but some can be strong and dangerous. Location. Japan sits at the junction of 4 tectonic plates. Their constant movement causes earthquakes. Preparation. Safety first. Because earthquakes are so common, buildings are constructed to withstand shaking, including schools, homes, and skyscrapers. Education. Training for everyone. Students and citizens regularly practice earthquake drills. They learn how to stay safe during an earthquake. Technology. Early warnings. Japan uses advanced warning systems. Phones, TVs, and sirens alert people seconds before shaking starts, giving them time to reach safety. Even though earthquakes happen often, Japan's preparation, technology, and education keep people safe. It shows how humans can live with nature's power while reducing risks. Japan is a country of discipline, innovation, and resilience. From students cleaning classrooms to perfect trains to earthquake safety, these facts show how Japan combines culture, technology, and responsibility. What do you think about these facts? Could your country learn something from Japan? Share your thoughts in the comments.